Alright, getting the EBGBs. Woo! We're close to it. Good morning, guys. Now we're here in Virginia getting ready to do some hiking this Friday morning. I got in the airport yesterday last night about 11 p.m. so I decided to actually sleep on my rental car. I didn't get a good night's sleep. It was actually pretty cold, but now we're gonna get some coffee and hopefully it'll get better. Hey guys, we have arrived to the Trailhead. Today we're gonna do Mcafee Knob via the Appalachian Trail. The hike is gonna be 7.8 miles, rated as moderate with 1,800 feet of elevation gain. So I haven't hiked in about a month, so I'm pretty excited to get back out there. So let's get going. So Mcafee Knob is supposed to be one of the most photographed spots in the Appalachian Trail. It has like a ledge where you can take pictures. I don't know if I'm gonna get to the ledge. Maybe I crawl to the ledge. but yeah, I was surprised to see that. So it would be cool to check out one of the most beautiful spots in the Appalachian Trail. They mentioned that the Fire Road trail is a little easier than taking the actual trail to Mcafee Knob, so I'm just gonna continue with that. I'm in a rush, so I'll take the most scenic route. Yeah, so the Fire Road's supposed to be easier, but we're gonna take the Appalachian Trail to Mcafee Knob. So there's two bees on the trail. Kind of nervous to go around it. Ooh. Okay. Oh crap. They're super huge. What if I go? Oh my god, they were huge. They didn't look too friendly either. So I found my first note on the Appalachian Trail. It says yellow jacket nest in front of you in ground hole. On the... what? So it was locked on Saturday 8/28. So where? Not that I want to find it. Here maybe. See what's going on. Alright, I'm out here. So I see many people that talk about that they've done the Appalachian Trail and how nice it was and how long it took. But now I can actually say I've done a section of the Appalachian Trail, even though it's only 4 miles, but who's counting? So it actually feels good to be part of that experience. About a mile already in. It's been easy so far. It's only 300 feet in elevation gain. Honestly, I almost didn't come hiking this weekend because I was pretty tired. I had a long week at work. And it just takes a lot out of me to actually come here and plan my hiking events. But now that I'm here, of course, I'm glad to be out here. So I got some energy somehow to actually do the hike. It feels good to be outside, and I haven't been in nature for a while, so I'm glad to be back out here for sure. Is that a spider web? Holy cow. That is the biggest spider web ever. Oh my god, another huge spider web. How big are the spiders here? Hate to run into one. Okay, getting there slowly but surely. I'm about 0.2 miles away, and right now I'm actually really sore. The back of my legs are gonna hurt tomorrow. I'm just really out of shape, and also the closer I get to the top, the wind's starting to pick up and starting to get actually cold, so I may have to put my jacket on. But overall, it's been a very easy, well-marked trail. It's just pretty much out of shape. I guess taking about a month off can do really wonders on your body. So really excited to get there. Should be there in no time, so I can really show you the views. So very close to Mcafee Knob. Mcafee Knob is about 3,130 feet in elevation. So it's coming up. Oh God. Don't look down. Photo op right there. Mcafee Knob, and it's really windy, so I kind of have to crawl to the edge to get the picture because I'm afraid the wind will take me at this point. But it is so great to be here. The views are spectacular. Views all around, 270 degrees, I say. I want to take some other pictures, but I'm really scared about the wind because it's kind of picking up. And it's really it's being really aggressive right now. Nobody here, so it's really peaceful. This is just for me, so I'm hoping I can enjoy this time and take better pictures. But yeah, it took me about 4 hours to get to the top. It was a very easy hike. It's very there's a lot of markers, so you won't get lost to get here. I just wish the wind was not that strong right now. Let me see if I can get closer. Once you get here, make a left. That's where everybody takes pictures. I made a mistake on going this way and then I had to go back that way again to take the picture. So just make a left right away and you'll see the rock. Okay, now I'm just heading back. I had a wonderful time here. I'm glad I made it out here. It was a nice day hike. It took me about 2 hours to get to the top, and I'm assuming maybe an hour and a half or two to get back down. I'll put my stats from my Apple Watch on this side so you guys can see how long it took me. There is no restrooms, no parking fees, no entrance fees. The trail's pretty shaded. 90% of the trail has shade, and dogs are allowed on the leash. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm doing the 52 hike challenge this year. It's not doing so well since I skipped about a month, but I'm actually going to the Grand Canyon and coming up, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and I'll see you next week. Bye! Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future adventures. See ya!